here on deck 7. I'm gonna take you guys through the casino because when the casino is open, you're not allowed to be filming in here. So I'm gonna show you guys this, but you can see here, the MSC Signature Casino. And you can see as you walk down this corridor here, there are slots and gaming systems on both the left and right. So as you pass through this corridor, you'll approach two beautiful chrome staircases, and on the left is the cashier. So hopefully when you win up a whole bunch of money here in the casino, this is where you'll come cash out your tickets. They've got one of these coin machines. I don't recommend these. I think anytime I've ever played one of these, I've lost money, so I don't play them very often at all, but they're there if you do want to play them. This here is the bar area here in the casino. One of the nice things recently in the Seashore and the Seascape is MSC made their casinos completely smoke-free. There's a small room that's completely sectioned off where you can smoke, but otherwise they're completely smoke-free. So it's nice to see that other casinos are starting to do the same. So this is the slots. Traditional style with actual physical rolls. More Buffalo and Fortune Express machines, Dragon Link, Rich Little Piggies, Asian style Penny Pew machines, Prosperity Dancing Drums. These are very popular machines. Buffalo machine and some of the Foo and the rocket ones, those are very fun and very popular. Another Buffalo machine over here. Luxury line, this is like a train themed game over here. And then over here, hidden away in the corner, been one of my favorite spots, which is the automated roulette. So if you're a roulette player, this is a great spot to do it. You can earn points on this machine. Honestly, I prefer the automated roulette. It makes betting a little bit easier and simpler, and you don't have to worry about messing somebody else up with knocking their stack over or something like that. So I'm sure I'll enjoy this some while I'm on board. Walk through the rest of the casino here. For the midship here on deck 8, what you'll see is here on the left is the Loft Cafe, and on the right is the sports bar. Before we go in there, this small space here is the slots if you're a smoker. So if you enjoy a smoke while you play your slot machines, this small room here is the space you had to do it. So as we enter the sports bar here, they've got some slot machines in here as well. Hey y'all. If this video has been helpful for you, if you'd please take a quick moment to like and subscribe, it would mean the absolute world to me as I get started on this YouTube journey. With that out of the way, let's get back to it. I'm going to give you guys some information on what the different limits were on these different table games, so I'm going to share them with you guys as we walk through, assuming they're the same, and if they're not, I apologize. The second roulette table. And the Miraviglia back in November, they had a European roulette table, which means that there is only 1 0 versus American roulette that has 2 zeros. Both of these are American roulette, so there's 2 zeros, which means the house has about a 5.5% edge. But honestly, in Vegas, I saw some of these tables that have 3 zeros on it. So I guess we should be happy that it's only 2 zeros, but 5.5% should be plenty of edge for the house, in my opinion. So that's it, guys. So that is the casino.